If you're trying to lose weight based on calories alone, you're doing it wrong. Calories don't matter that much when it comes to eating healthy and feeling good, because they don't tell you how full you'll feel afterwards. Take it from dietitians and health experts Business Insider, The New York Times, and Cosmopolitan spoke with. The Times cites a study from Stanford researchers which found people who ditched added sugar, refined grains, and overly processed foods, and instead ate plenty of veggies and whole foods lost a bunch of weight in 1 year. What you drink also matters. A simple change from sweetened beverages like soda to unsweetened tea, seltzer, or water can save you anywhere from 150 to 400 calories, even though those sweetened beverages don't fill you up like solid food does, according to Business Insider. They also report protein is key to feeling full, and it acts as a buffer against spikes in insulin levels since it slows the breakdown of carbs into sugar. Labels can be misleading. When you see low-fat or light items, the idea is that you'll get slim quick. Not so fast. Manufacturers usually add extra sugar to make the items taste as good as their fatty cousins, and that extra sugar is linked to gaining weight. So if you cut out a few things from that fridge or pantry, you might cut weight better than counting calories alone.